Last year, I made a video on how I detailed my attempts on how to grow a Pinterest platform completely run by Fiverr gigs. I used Fiverr to buy the thumbnails, to buy the editing, to buy the voiceovers. I even used Fiverr to buy the scripts. I mean, everything came from Fiverr. But there was only one problem with growing this Pinterest platform. I was burning up cash. I was actually spending more money than I was making. In fact, I was completely not making any money at all. But in the last few months, that process has changed. And that reason being because now there's an artificial intelligence tool that can help you with every process of making anything on Pinterest. And that means that you're gonna be able to make Pinterest videos and even pins without spending all the money that I spent using Fiverr gigs in the beginning. In fact, you don't even have to use Pinterest. You can use YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or even TikTok to make these videos. But what I'm gonna show you today is how to make a Pinterest video for Pinterest in under like 10 to 15 minutes. And it's gonna be 100% free. And on top of that, you can use the same video for any and all of the other social media platforms. Now, if you've never heard of me, my name is Dad Learns Money. I'm an introvert who went from homeless to homeowner with high ticket affiliate marketing. And I've done multiple 6 and 7 figures with my own online business, as well as promoting other multiple affiliate products and services. Now, my goal for this channel is to help you build an infinite passive income business and achieve financial and time freedom, especially if you hate your job exactly like I did. Now, before we start, there's 2 important things that you need to know about making these videos using AI. The first one is that we need to know how to talk to them. So you might understand that there is an AI tool that does something for you, but if you don't know how to talk and if you don't know how to explain it in a way that it can understand, then it's going to pump out some garbage videos. So what we're also going to talk about in this video is the language that you need to use in order to coach and teach the AI so it can understand what you're saying, so it can deliver the videos that you're trying to get out of it. Also, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a whole lot of prompts. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 prompts that you can use to make sure that you're giving the AI the correct information to give you what you're looking for specifically in your content. And these prompts are going to be absolutely and 100% free. That's my gift to you just for sticking around. Now, the second thing that you need to know is that we are going to be using 2 tools. Those 2 tools are going to be called ChatGPT and an AI software called InVideo. Now, InVideo is actually ChatGPT, but packaged up differently. Actually, ChatGPT is literally built into InVideo. What InVideo has actually done is taken ChatGPT and integrated it into their website. And since it's been integrated, InVideo has actually trained it a little bit more specifically for social media platforms like Pinterest and even YouTube. Now, I'm going to leave the link to InVideo down below this video. Using that link is going to give you access to all the free ChatGPT prompts that I promise you I'm going to deliver to you at the end of this video. But once you create your free account, you're going to land on this page right here, which is basically the prompt page where you can put anything in, and it's going to take that information and then it's going to deliver the content that you're looking for. I'm going to show you in this video how to create a perfect prompt so that you can get the video and not a garbage video that's just thrown together. Now, I've already jumped ahead and copied one of the prompts from my free ChatGPT prompts I'm going to give you just for watching this video. But just to read a little bit of what it says, I'm looking for a Pinterest video idea that would go viral and showcase my product or service to my ideal customer persona in a creative way and entertaining way. All right, so what you're going to do, you're going to take that prompt and you're going to enter in whatever product or service or industry or niche that you're in, and you're going to fill them in those brackets. Now, for educational purposes, I just plugged in my own information. So I said, I'm looking for a Pinterest video idea that would go viral and showcase my free affiliate marketing course. That's my course that I promoted for free to help new affiliate marketers. Down below, you'll see the link to join my free course. And by the way, did I say free? It's absolutely free. No games, no gimmicks, no upsells. You can join it and use this course to not only to learn about AI softwares, but how to make money with all of the industries together. I'm going to teach you the secrets of automated income. I'm going to teach you all my ultimate affiliate programs and software gold mines. I'm going to show you how to go from $0 to $100 a day using my email list alchemy. Even in the end, I'm going to give you my expert tools and programs I will to forge a 7-figure business from thin air. All that and more is down linked below this video. Let's hop back into do it. And then it goes on to say, to new affiliate marketers who want to lead the 9-to-5 job in a creative way and entertaining way. So another cool thing that I wanted to say, I wanted to give me 5 reasons why my product is awesome and illustrate each of them with an example. And I also tell it to keep the language super simple and easy to understand. And I say conclude the video by asking viewers which of the 5 reasons they are going to buy the product. But what I love about InVideo is that you can use a website for the AI technology to reference so it can get a clearer understanding of what you want it to do. So I already have a website. My website is right here. This is my landing page for my free course. The link will be down in the YouTube description if you want to check it out. It's absolutely 100% free. But I put this out as a reference, and what it's going to do is going to go to that website and it can read it, and it's going to get some better understanding and information to create me a better video. Now, once again, to get access to these free ChatGPT and InVideo scripts, I'm going to leave the link down below this video. But once you've done and you keyed in all the information, what you're going to want to do is click generate video. But I wanted to show you this right here. Now, this is the free version, but if you upgrade, you can actually clone your own voice, and it'll take your voice and put it inside the video. But just some of the workflows right here, you can do YouTube explainers, it can do script the video. So if you already have your script, you can put it in there, and then it'll take that script and turn it into the video. And it does YouTube shorts. And then when you click this button right here, it'll show you tons of other things that you can do with this software. Now, using AI InVideo on the free software, of course, it's going to come with watermarks and things like that. But using this software, you will be able to pump out 4 videos a month. That's like 1 video each and every week, where you can still create content. But if you're looking to create faceless content and you really want to go all in, I highly recommend that you upgrade and get one of the premium plans. And I'll show you those later on in the video. For right now that we have our prompt, we're going to click generate video. And what's happening right now is taking all the information I just put into that prompt, it's analyzing it. It's even going to go and check that website and see what I mean. And it's going to create a video based off the information I gave it in the prompt. So I'm going to let this go ahead and do its thing, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. Now, before it gives you the actual video, it's going to prompt you one time to confirm all the information that you gave it. If you want to make any changes, you can do that right here. You can even edit the prompts right here by clicking this button. But it pretty much nailed everything I wanted so far. So my audience is new affiliate marketers because I put that in the prompt, so it saved us time. But I also could change it to 9-to-5 job holders or career changers, something like that. But it also is talking about the look and feel. So I wanted to be inspiring, professional, or crisp as some of the options it gave me. And then of course it got the platform right. So like I said, you could do Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever platform you want. I already put that in the prompt. I said I wanted a Pinterest video, so I'm going to leave it just like that. And if everything looks good and you don't want to edit it, you're just going to click continue. All right, so right now it's taking that information. Now that I confirmed the look and the feel and the platform of my audience, is creating the video. Right now it's at 5%. And when it's done, it's going to create that entire video for me. And when we're done, I'm going to show you the finished product. Okay, so boom. Now it's already created my Pinterest video, as you can see, but it only took about 2 minutes to create. I'm going to play the video and see how it turned out.
Escape the grind of a 9-to-5 job. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, your ticket to financial freedom. Uncover the secrets with our free course. 1, it's free. No hidden costs, no strings attached. 2, it's comprehensive. We cover everything from basics to advanced strategies. 3, it's flexible. Learn at your own pace from the comfort of your home. 4, it's practical. We provide real-world examples and case studies. 5, it's empowering. Learn to create your own income stream and say goodbye to your boss. Which reason resonates with you the most? Dive into the world of affiliate marketing with our free course. Your journey towards financial independence begins here.
All right, so that was super cool. It did everything that I asked it. It had the voice, it had the time of the video, but I do want to make some changes. I left those out just so I can show you that you can actually change some stuff in this video. So if it doesn't turn out as perfectly as you like, you could change the stock photos, you could change the music, you can even change the entire prompt. So I'm going to walk you through that, and I'm going to make the changes that I want to make this video even better. Okay, so I'm going to push these edits to the limits using this software. In the prompt, I put change the formatting of of the video to 16:9 or selfie mode format to fit Pinterest pins. Also changed the stock videos to men and women who are working 9-to-5 jobs and want to quit. Lastly, add a call to action at the end of the video to purchase my free affiliate marketing course in the description. And this is one of many ways that you can edit the videos if you don't like what it originally put out or you want to make some necessary changes. You can add them right in the prompt and it's going to regenerate it. So I'm going to go ahead and click generate and see what it gives me. So it took about another 2 minutes, but it's already completely done. Let's check it out.
Escape the grind of a 9-to-5 job. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, your ticket to financial freedom. Uncover the secrets with our free course. 1, it's free. No hidden costs, no strings attached. 2, it's comprehensive. We cover everything from basics to advanced strategies. 3, it's flexible. Learn at your own pace from the comfort of your home. 4, it's practical. We provide real-world examples and case studies. 5, it's empowering. Learn to create your own income stream and say goodbye to your boss. Which reason resonates with you the most? Dive into the world of affiliate marketing with our free course. Your journey towards financial independence begins here. Are you ready to break free from the 9-5 grind? Are you excited to unleash your potential? Then act now. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Click on the link in the description below to access our free affiliate marketing course. It's your first step towards financial independence. Embrace the freedom that comes with being your own boss. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your dreams is action. Start your journey today.
Pretty cool. So it did everything, all my add-ons. Now it did make the video a little bit longer. In my second prompt, I didn't tell it to make sure it keeps it under that amount of time, but you can go back and do that. Actually, you can actually do it yourself if you want, but I'm still happy with the length of this video. It's not going to be a YouTube short. It's going to be a Pinterest pin or a Pinterest video, so the time could be a little bit longer. But if you wanted to change anything and you don't want to use the prompts, you can click edit right here and say if you want to change any of the stock videos. Watch what happens when you click on the stock videos. It's going to highlight what caption is in that particular stock photo or that stock video. So all you have to do is just click the stock video. It's going to show you where it appears in the video. So if I click here, it changes to these captions right here. Or if I click here, it does the same thing. So you can edit it that way. Also, if you want, if you have your own stock photos or your own images or own videos, you can literally upload them to this software and it'll take them and put them where you want them based off what you have highlighted. Now, this is just the media, but if you want to go into the script, it also has a script here for you. You can come anywhere in your script and change the title. You can change the title here. You can change some of the words and make it say whatever you want. And then when you're done, all you have to do is just click apply changes. I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to close it out. But you can literally do everything in this software, and it's a really great software if you don't want to appear in your videos. And like I said, you can even upload your voice, but even if you don't want to use your voice, you can use the AI software, and these voices sound very, very real. If everything checks out, all you will have to do is just click export. And again, if you're using the free version, it's going to come at a cost. You're going to have to keep the watermarks on there. The same thing with the branding. It's going to have that on there. So if you don't want it on there, you're going to have to change to one of these. So if you just click normal, it's going to make it to where you can export it. But what's cool about the software, you can still download it or export it in 1080p, which is great. It's the next thing before 4K. But if you do want to upgrade, it starts at $20 a month. That's for the yearly plan, which is going to save you a few bucks. But if you want to go to monthly, it starts at $25 a month for the plus. And you'll get all these things right here. And then if you want to go max, it's $60 a month, which is really, really reasonable based off all the stuff you're getting and all the stuff that the software does compared to everything else out there that costs even hundreds of dollars. Now, again, I'm going to leave the link to InVideo down below this YouTube video. And if you use that link, you're going to get access to my free ChatGPT prompts. That's my gift to you for using my affiliate link, and I really appreciate it. Also, it's my gift for you sticking around to watch this video. Now, as a bonus, I want to show you one of the videos I use using these same prompts that actually did go viral just like I requested. Now, this is one of my Pinterest profiles right here that I've been growing using AI technology, and it's already getting 31.5K monthly views. As you can see here, I'm getting almost 32K impressions, and it keeps going up. I'm already up 189% for each month, 904 engagements, that's going up. Outbound clicks that are going to my affiliate links is up, and the saves to the pin, and my total audience right now now is just under 27 people, and it's highly engaged. I'm at 672, which is 147%. And you can check out how my impressions are just staying pretty consistent. As long as I'm putting out videos, it should continue to stay pretty consistent. But right now, in the beginning stages of this Pinterest platform, I'm very, very happy. One extra thing I did, now that I have a viral video that AI created for me, I took that video and I repurposed it to other platforms. So I'm going to keep you updated on that. But right now, it's doing pretty good on all my social media platforms connected to that faceless Pinterest profile. Now, one of the softwares I use is also AI, and it's called Video.ai. I'll leave that link also down below this YouTube video, but you can repurpose all of your content that you've created by using this software. It's going to put it on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, and even YouTube Shorts. And this platform can repurpose long form and short form content, and even podcasts, and even audio files. Another software I use is Repurpose.io. Now, Video.ai is a free software. They give you free credits each and every month. If you want to upgrade, you can do that. But Repurpose.io isn't free, but you do get a free 14-day free trial. Now, both of those links are going to be down below my YouTube description, but Repurpose.io, we do the same thing similar to Video.ai. The only thing is, it doesn't do some things that Video.ai does. For example, in Video.ai, you can actually edit the videos where you can cut and trim them and even add your branding and other things like your own stock photos. Anything you can almost imagine you can do in Video.ai. You can change the whole video and chop it up and re-edit it all within the software. Repurpose.io only takes the content, you can't change it, and it only repurposes the content that you put inside the software. But the main thing you're trying to do is, if you're going to go faceless and you're trying to grow, you want to put your content on all the platforms so that you can increase your reach and get more traffic, especially if you're an affiliate marketer and you're trying to get clicks to your links, to your landing page, and build your email list. That's going to be pretty much it for this video. If you'd like me to put out more AI faceless content videos, leave a comment down below. Or if you'd like me to expound and go deeper on one of the things I taught about, leave me a comment and ask me down there. I always reply back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. All the links are going to be in the YouTube's description, including the free ChatGPT prompts, as I promised. Make sure you click those and they'll be automatically sent to the email that you provided. Also, if you want to learn more about AI content and how I'm making $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month with AI technology, I want you to check out this video right here. And as always, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.